In this episode, I'm going to be giving you a quick update about my investment property venture that I started off, I think, end of 2023, and I made some progress in 2024. I'm going to give you the plan for 2025. Welcome to the Property Corner with myself, Rowan Alexander. So you'll remember late in 2023, like December 23, I bought a investment property. I took ownership in 2024 with the plans of starting my renovations in 2024. The rezoning application took a bit longer than what was anticipated, and I missed the opportunity to have the property completed during 2024. So I made the decision to postpone the construction to the 2025 year. That was a decision, made by myself. I have been in a position where I could execute my rights, since the third quarter of last year, but I have held off. I'm now at the point where I've submitted my final building plans. The redevelopment, rezoning is approved. Now I simply need to submit the building plan to start with the construction. As you know, making this sort of content isn't easy. We wouldn't be able to do it without the support of our local partners and sponsors. This episode is sponsored by Rezoning Automotive Engineering and Workshop. Rezoning does all automotive engineering, engine rebuilding, and motor vehicle servicing. Rezoning is a family-run business, and it's situated in Brackenfell, right around the corner from our business. They've been in the town for nearly 20 years and are a well-known and established brand in the area. Rezoning offers excellent client service, and they've recently gone as far as to offer all of our clients a free pre-holiday inspection. So go and check out their Facebook page to see what they're about for all your automotive engineering, repair, and servicing needs. So thank you to Rezoning for sponsoring this episode and making this sort of content possible. So where am I at? What am I going to be doing? Things will pick up traction there pretty quickly now. So the final approval was done. The removal of title deed conditions was advertised in the Gazette, and therefore I now have my full rights and the rezoning is approved. Next thing that needs to happen is that I need to submit my building plan and pay my development contributions that I will be doing during 2025. And then the moment that those building plans are approved, I anticipate that I will start the construction in the second quarter of 2025. Going to be documenting that, going to be keeping you up to date. And I think hopefully when we get to just before we start with construction, I'll be able to give you a comprehensive update, giving finances where we are at the moment, what things have cost, maybe how we've come to the decisions that we've made, and what challenges we faced during that process. Because there were some challenges and objections that we needed to overcome, some neighbors we needed to engage with, and also practical things, that maybe became more apparent the longer we went down this process. So going to be keeping you up to date. Expect more frequent and regular updates in 2025 about this property. I need to have this property completed and ready for occupation for 2026. That's my goal. I'm giving myself a lot of time to do this, but in my personal life, I've also been making some other property investments and moves. So this one was put on the back burner for a little while, but I'm picking that up now. And you can expect to see more of this content in the second quarter of 2025. I've got a favor to ask you. 73% of all watchers on this channel have not subscribed to the Property Corner. If you're finding our content useful, please subscribe to our channel. It motivates us and it helps us do more of what we're doing. It helps us invest more. It helps us put more time aside to really grow this channel. Our subscribers are getting the most value. These are the people that are frequently being reminded about the topics that we are discussing, but also with who we are managing to engage and really offer proper opportunity to learn. So thanks to those of you who are subscribing. 3 in every 4 people that are watching these videos haven't subscribed. So if you don't mind, take that moment, subscribe to our channel, and share this with people you may feel could gain value out of this too. Thank you.